Health and Family Welfare Minister Shri A.L. Hek today inaugurated the Syntung Health Sub-Center at Syntung Village on the Maukanrao CNRD block in the presence of Agriculture, Sports and Youth Affairs Minister and local MLA Shri B. Lingdo, Dr. M.R. Basaimot, DMHO East Khasi Hills District, Dr. A. Lingdo, Additional DMHO East Khasi Hills, Shri L.T. Taryang, BDO Maukanrao CNRD block, Shri Robert Pale, Sardar Syntung Village, among others. Speaking at the inaugural program, Shri Hek said that the objective of the opening of the Syntung Health Sub-Center is to make healthcare services more accessible to people in the rural areas, especially to women, to improve health habits, spread awareness on family planning, to reduce mortality rate and infant mortality rate. He also urged upon the people of the areas to take advantage of the healthcare facilities available in the center. Earlier, Dr. M.R. Basaimot, DMHO East Khasi Hills, in his speech has informed that the Syntung Health Sub-Center under Jata PHC would benefit more than 4,000 residents of 5 villages of the areas, which include Syntung, Mau Jatam, Siang Khanai, Mau Lang and Nong Hu Leo.